foggy morning. Now, if it was just snowing, it would look like Silent Hill. That's gorgeous. And here's what's new at WMMT. Yes, we've got some nice pictures hung up here. And it's really coming along. Which there's still more to do, but everybody who works on this, they've done a great job. And there's some of the WMMT merch down through the years. And there are still hats, cups, t-shirts, all that stuff for sale. Yeah, all you have to do is, and stickers over there, all you have to do is go to wmmt.org/donate. Yep, you can get one of these shirts, mugs, hats, stickers, whatever you like. And I'm in the studio. It's just about time to start my show. So we will get started with that. And yeah, I'm going to be on a soapbox today. Now when I do my show, I like mood lighting. Yeah. That is the Affordable Care Act page. And you can, even if you're not going to sign up, you can look at what your premiums would be. And I did that. And I was shocked. I was shocked. Just for me, just for health care coverage for me, would be $1,422.18 per month. If that's just for me, that's a single person. And I'm not that old. Come on, people. But if I added my spouse onto this coverage, it would be way over $2,000 a month. That's 30 days. 1 month. And that's crazy. So there is why the government is shut down. It's because people can't afford this and people are going to lose it. Anyway, let's get on with some music. Let's play Chapel Roan.
Offering a wide variety.
Well, I'm done with my show for today. Ooh, I'm so tired. I don't know why I'm so tired. But, okay. Let's get out of here, and I think I'm going to get something to eat before I go home because, yeah, I've been here all morning. No breakfast, anything. Had one Red Bull. I had one little sip of coffee this morning. And in the refrigerator, I have me another Red Bull to take with me. So let's go get something to eat. So I'm stopping here at Lee's Famous Recipe over here in Whitesburg. And you know, I have not had Lee's Famous Recipe in, oh my gosh, forever. So, yeah, let's go in and try it. I got me me a seat right here by the window. Let's see what we got. I got chicken liver, a biscuit, potato wedges, and those mac and cheese don't look too good, but let's try it. Let's see what happens. Open their utensil. What should I try first? I'm gonna try the macaroni and cheese. This doesn't look good. I don't know. Let's see. It's salty. Just a touch. Try it again. Much better. It's actually really good. Let's try this chicken liver. It's not tough. It's really good. Good. Okay, let's try the potato wedges. They feel a little floppy. Yeah, they're just floppy, which, I mean, I don't mind that. Still have good flavor though. Okay. Now, let's try this biscuit. Right there. That is the best thing that they have here are the biscuits. The last time I was here, where I was ever at a least famous recipe, years and years and years ago, the biscuits were amazing. So let's try it. And they still are. They're so good. That's like homemade. They're really good. This is a very quaint little place. I mean, it's not big at all. And I tell you, another reason I'm eating liver is I don't mind. I grew up on chicken liver. Beef liver with onions is the best. Calf liver with onions is really the best. But here lately I have been freezing to death. Even when it's not super cold outside, and my hands stay freezing cold all the time. So I'm thinking I'm iron deficient. So let's get me some liver. So there it is. I have finished and I am full. So let's get out of here. Let's go home. So that was it. Lee's famous recipe. And that was pretty good. I'm gonna have to say that I would rate this for overall, you know, the interior, the atmosphere, the food, and overall, I'm gonna give this about at least a 7.5. I love driving back to Harlan from Whitesburg because look at these colors. They are beautiful. Oh, this is so nice. And it has been too cold and rainy to actually get out in the woods. But, I don't know, today it's starting to warm up a little bit and maybe, just maybe, there might be a chance of getting out today. I don't know. We'll see. But in the meantime, yeah, this drive fulfills my nature experience. And I just realized I had never stopped here with you guys before. So I wanted to show you this little overlook. We've been to a couple of them, but never this one. I can't believe it. I forgot. But okay. Now, if I'm not mistaken, this is where an old house used to sit. And they have constructed this little shelter where the old house was. And the original fireplace is still here. And I wonder how long that wood growing out of there has been there. Interesting. And here's the actual overlook. That is so pretty. And those colors, wow. That's just amazing. That's an amazing view right there. Just that. So pretty. I tell you, I am just blessed to live in a place like this. I mean, this is like in my own backyard. This is beautiful. The fall colors are out in full view. I mean, wow. That's amazing.